I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and we're here with a brand new 2024 Stryker Pro Lux 330. We have this paired with the Tohatsu MFS 30 horse, and this is a really nice little tender package. Now, you can also run something like this as a standalone boat for you and your family. It does have lots of seating options. The 30 horsepower is going to be enough to get 4 of you up on plane reliably. It is a very compact little package. The 330 is an 11-foot boat. So overall, it's a very compact, easy to use, easy to store package that offers lots of possibilities for you and your family to get out on the water, sightseeing, exploring beautiful bays, and just having an incredible day out on the water. This has been a very popular choice for boaters, both just as a standalone boat as a tender on their larger boat. So again, we're really excited to bring this new lineup to the market, and we know you guys are going to really enjoy your time on the water. So this boat, just like all of our new rib, LX and Lux models, has a nice checkered seating, fiberglass console, some nice storage options. This has a fuel tank bow compartment in the bow, and again, it's got a nice seat on the bow with a backrest. EVA foam is on all our flooring surfaces, as well as we've added these really nice steps so you have an easy access getting on and off of the boat safely and comfortably for you and your family. So guys, we're gonna do a little speed test. We're gonna cruise around. We're gonna take you guys on a little tour. We're out here at Cultus Lake today, testing a few boats, so you might see another one in the background.